Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will guide you through the simple steps to change the theme in the chess.com app on your Android phone. Customizing the theme can enhance your playing experience by making the interface more comfortable and visually appealing. Let's get started and see how to switch themes easily. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, find and tap on Theme. You will see a list of available themes. Scroll through and select any theme you like. Once you select a theme, it will update immediately, and you can enjoy your new look. That's all it takes to personalize your chess.com app appearance. Changing themes is quick and gives you a fresh visual style every time you want. Thank you for watching this guide on how to change the theme in the chess.com app. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.